Hey everyone, here is how I sew a bodice lining into place. First I thread a needle and then I take that needle up somewhere so I'm entering between that lining and the dress front. Just somewhere, just pick a spot. And this allows me to hide that tail. It may seem silly, but those thread tails really do add up, and overall they make your garment look like a hot mess. I mean, not really, but it's just the little things in life, okay? So then I go through one of those machine stitches and tack down, and then I go through that machine stitch again, creating a loop, and then I go around that loop twice and pull tight, and this creates a knot and secures my thread to my work. And now from there I just whip stitch going through those machine stitches. Yeah, Henry. And this is how I hand sew my bodice linings, as well as my sleeves, those sleeve bands and neck bands, all those things. And then when I get to the end, I repeat that loop tie down method to secure my thread, and once again I send my needle between the lining and the dress front so that that tail is hidden. And that's all, folks. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch y'all next time.